The Art of Haggling, Getting a Better Deal. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of communication, particularly when it comes to buying and selling. Have you ever heard of the term haggling? If you haven't, or if you're curious to know more, this video is perfect for you. Let's uncover the ins and outs of haggling. Haggling is the negotiation process between a buyer and a seller in which they discuss the price of a product or service. It's a give-and-take dialogue where both parties aim to reach an agreement that satisfies them. Often, the buyer tries to get the price lowered, while the seller wants to get the best possible price. There are several reasons people haggle. 1. To save money, the most obvious reason. Who doesn't like a good deal? 2. Cultural norms. In many countries and markets around the world, haggling is a normal part of the buying process. 3. Perceived value. The buyer might feel the initial price doesn't reflect the true value of the item. 4. Build relationships. Especially in local markets, building a rapport through haggling can lead to better deals in the future. If you're new to haggling, here are some tips to get started. 1. Be polite and respectful. Always remember that both you and the seller are humans. A friendly approach can go a long way. 2. Know the market rate. Do some research beforehand. Knowing the average price can give you a starting point for negotiations. 3. Be ready to walk away. Sometimes, the best negotiation strategy is being ready to leave if the price isn't right. 4. Stay calm and patient. Haggling is a process. Don't get frustrated if things don't go your way immediately. Haggling isn't appropriate everywhere. It's common in 1. Local markets, especially in Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. 2. Street vendors, often open to negotiations. 3. Tourist areas. However, be wary of inflated starting prices. 4. Used goods, like cars, antiques, or second-hand items. Remember, in many modern retail stores or online shops, prices are fixed and haggling might not be welcomed. So, there you have it, a quick dive into the world of haggling. It's more than just about saving money. It's an art, a dialogue, and in many places, an essential part of daily life. We hope you found this video enlightening. Next time you're in a local market, maybe you'll feel confident enough to try haggling yourself. Until then, keep learning and exploring.